Hello everyone, this is Moni Singh. I am back with same chapter soil. Let us learn about properties of soil. So first property of soil is soil contains air. As we discussed in prior episodes that so many soils are having lots of space. That is, some soil are porous as well as some soils are not as porous as like few. So sandy soil. Sandy soil is porous. It is having lots of space, and clay soil is not as porous as sandy soil. So the soil which is porous, having more space, and air is found in that space. So basically air present in the spaces between the particles. So sandy soil is having lots of air space. It contains lots of air, but clay soil doesn't contain much air. And loamy soil is having a proper amount of air, adequate amount of air, जितने की ज़रूरत होती है उतनी. Okay. Now next one, soil contains moisture. Soil contains moisture. So what is this? Moisture present as a thin invisible film around soil. Basically moisture is found around the soil particle as well as inside the soil particle as well. So moisture we can observe if you are passing through a farming land. तो क्या आप देखते हो कि the air which is above the farming land is shimmering. वो बहुत ही bright सा दिखता है. Why it is so? Because the farming land, the soil of farming land is having lots of moisture, and that moisture, that water evaporates in sunlight. So water vapor is formed, and then that water vapor basically क्या करता है वो water vapor that reflects sunlight, and due to reflection the air which is found above the farming land seems to be bright, shimmering. Okay. एंड जब आप दूसरे एरिया के देखोगे एयर को तो दैट विल नॉट लाइक वो आप बिल्कुल डिफरेंट से लगेगा. दैट वो उतना ज़्यादा शिमर नहीं करेगा, ब्राइट नहीं होगी. सो दिस इज़ व्हाट, दिस इज़ ड्यू टू द मॉइस्चर वेपर फाउंड in the air due to the moisture content of soil on a farming land. Same thing you can observe on a huge park. अगर आप किसी बड़े पार्क में जाते हो which is having lots of soil on the its floor, then it is having also lots of moisture क्योंकि हमें water डालना पड़ता है soil में. So the air above that park will be also shimmering. You can observe shimmering bright air above the soil. Why? Because of the moisture. Okay. Now next property. Next property is soil allows water to percolate. What is percolate? So percolate is basically the process in which water passes down slowly through the soil. Okay, when water passes down slowly through the soil, that process is called percolate. That means soil के आर पार हो जाएगा. If we'll put water over the soil, then that water will come out from the soil content. Okay, that is called soil allows water to percolate. Percolation. And the percolation rate of water in soil is volume of water percolated. How much volume? जितना भी हमने ml लिया water, that volume of water that is percolated through the soil upon time taken. The time taken in certain amount of water through a soil to percolate. That is the rate of percolation rate of water in soil. Okay, this is the third characteristic properties. Now next one. Next one is soil can absorb water. So few soil are there that can absorb water. So what is this? The process in which soil hold water is called absorption of water. So in some kind of soil, the soil passes out through the water passes through the soil, that is called percolation. But in another kind of soil, the soil can hold water, that is called absorption. So there is a formula for this also. Percentage of water absorbed by soil is equal to weight of water absorbed. We have to take the weight of water upon weight of soil taken, multiply 100. So we can get easily the percentage of water absorbed by a soil. For better understanding, I want to show you an activity through which you can understand percolation and absorption. Percolation is basically we can observe in sandy soil because it is porous, so it can pass out water through it. Okay, and absorption we can observe in clay soil because it is not porous, so it will not allow water to percolate. It can hold water. Okay, so that is absorption. Now through one activity I want to show you how what is percolation and what is absorption. Okay, now I have taken this sponge. Now I am having this bowl to store water and this glass with water. Now I am putting water over this sponge. So what will happen? जब मैं water डालूंगी तो sponge will not allow the water to, देखो I am putting water, okay, but sponge क्या कर रहा है? Water को, now I am holding this, okay. Now water is collected over it. You can observe water is collected over it. Okay, so that water is inside this sponge only, and this sponge is not allowing the water to come through it. Okay, this is wet, but water is not coming out through. I want to show you, but actually camera can't catch this water content which is in this sponge. I think it's visible. Yes. So water is here, but it is not coming out from the sponge. So what is this? What is this? This is the sponge. This sponge is not allowing water to go through it. That means percolation is not allowed here. Okay, that means this sponge can hold water, it can absorb water. This is called absorption of water. Now I am pouring out water from this sponge. Okay, मैं water गिरा रही हूँ नीचे. So what was this? This is absorption. Now I want to show you the another activity, that is percolation. Percolation means when water will come out through the soil particle, that is percolation. For this I have taken cotton hanky. Okay, now I am putting water over this hanky, and you can observe that बहुत जल्दी ये water नीचे गिरना शुरू हो जाएगा. ये देखो, water is coming out through this cotton hanky. Okay, so why it is so? I am putting again, I am pouring water again, I am pouring water again. So water is coming out this hanky. What is this? This is basically percolation. Percolation means water is coming out from this hanky to the from this hanky. Okay, water, ये देखो, water is coming out through this hanky. That is called percolation. So now I think you understood what is percolation and what is absorption. Absorption means to hold water. Percolation means to just let it go when some surface is allowing water to move away. Okay, I hope you understood through this activity what is percolation and absorption. Now you look at the screen.